Every day in our social media journey, in our journey along with our friends, colleagues, family, relatives, we keep getting a lot of statements from all of these people, and we keep drawing some amount of meaning from all these statements, and we start becoming opinionated about these statements. And when you make a statement, even they become opinionated about it, and they make another statement, and then the argument starts, and it's not going to end forever. And some amount of stress is created, hopelessness is created, anger is created. Things do not turn out to be very nice when we start speaking out, right? And that is where I'm going to talk about it today. Now I'll give you an example about two people inside a room, a man and a woman. A man and a woman inside a room which doesn't have light. Now, coming to the gender roles that these two might be playing, first and foremost, they might be husband and wife. Second interpretation that we can make is they might be, brother and sister. The third interpretation that we can make is they might be colleagues from office. Fourth is they might be friends from school or college. Look at the kind of gender roles that these two are playing just by taking into consideration their gender, right? They might be playing different types of roles, and we, standing far away from them, not being involved in their actions, we are trying to interpret a lot about those two people. Let's get a little deeper about what they're going to do inside a room. Now, this room is dark, a man and a woman. Let us put them into a box called as couple box. Now, a man is lighting a candle. What do you think is going to be there? What kind of interpretations we can draw from it? The first is the man might be lighting the candle because there is a power cut in the area or a power cut in their house, and he wants to light up that place so that they can continue doing their homework. The second interpretation that we can draw from here is they might be a couple who are too spiritually inclined. They want to create a religious atmosphere or an intimate atmosphere because lighting a candle might be a religious significance for them. That's the second kind of interpretation. The third kind of interpretation is the couple, maybe newlywed, they might be creating an intimate atmosphere for a sexual encounter. That can also be an interpretation. The fourth one is they might be celebrating their wedding anniversary or a birthday party by lighting the candle, right? So just by lighting a candle, we can draw so many meanings from it. Then imagine the amount of meanings that people keep creating for themselves when they listen to certain statements from their colleagues, friends, family, or statements made by news channels, or statements made in social media, or the posts or trolls that you see in Twitter or any other place. Look at the amount of information that we are generating within ourselves just by looking at one particular statement. So what I'm trying to say here is not everything that you see, not everything that you read, not everything that you listen is 100% true. There is always an element of secrecy. There is always an element of doubt, because we humans don't really give out 100% of what we know. We always tend to manipulate it some other way or restrict ourselves from giving out completely everything. And that is where misunderstanding starts. That is where the misinterpretation starts. And this misunderstanding creates stress between two people. It goes on to demolish a family. It goes on to destroy two people. Divorces happen, crimes happen, robbery, theft, what not. All these things are basically comes from the source of misinterpretation. The 100% meaning of a particular statement, only the person who has made that statement knows, and it is our job to discover the meaning that is there in that particular statement. So next time when you listen something, just ask questions. Do not make a statement back, because that person might be not giving out 100% information about what he wants to say. And a question of discovery can only help us understand another person. Until then, stay calm and composed, because being opinionated can be a little more stressful in life.